promising ever traditional folk musician Seyram Music is out with a 16-track album titled VROOM, which translates into Volta region's originally music. The album is intended to revive interest in the old and forgotten ever folk songs by repackaging them to a new and modern audience. Versatile talent, Seyram Music is on a mission to retell old tales, share experiences, and ultimately make old ever folk songs more appealing to the younger generation. On a typical weekend, Seyram, a native of Peki, and his friends mount platforms to share traditional folk music with their audience.
Seyram Music is an Ewe traditional folk musician. So what I do is I revive the old forgotten Ewe tunes. The purpose of folk songs is to be handed over from generation to generation. So I decided to pick up these ones and make them like more modern. So during the lockdown, I tried something in folk in Ewe, and the response was great. I'm like, why don't I just maybe focus the energy there? So that's how it all began.
After 7 years in the music business, Seyram boasts of 2 albums, with the latest being the 16-track VROOM album. Laced with relatable life stories and morals, songs on the VROOM album educate and at the same time entertains fans with exciting modernized lyrics.
So this one you're going to see Organically, which narrates the story of we the Evers, our escape from Inoche. We have Selassie, we have Womanome. Womanome just means without you. Wogbe Mase, only you I'll listen to. My dream is to see Volta music or Ewe music go up there. To see Ewe music being also in the mainstream.
Supporting artists including Saint from Lomé and Catwell from Australia saluted Seyram's originality and wished him well in his endeavors.